Today we're looking for a little opportunity on the dollar CAD. I apologize in advance for my voice today. Still suffering a little bit from that cold that hit me yesterday. My daughter has it, a bunch of other people have it, so apologize if I sound like I'm a little stuffed up or a little cough here and there, but it is what it is. It hits us and you just try and do your best to get over it. So, alright, so we're looking for a little opportunity on the CAD for a buy. So we'll talk about that. We'll also talk about what the New Zealand dollar did. So let's jump right into the CAD first, and then move on to talking just a little bit about the New Zealand dollar from the previous video. Alright, so in doing the top-down analysis, as always, we're in a little bit of a kind of a little mini monthly uptrend for our system. We've broken through this high, and we still have some room to trade toward the next sets of monthly highs, especially if we can pop through this high over here. Okay, so a little bit of an uptrend there on the monthly chart. On the weekly chart, we have an uptrend as well. And we have some support. You can see this weekly tail right here. That's a pretty significant level that bounced and shot up quite a bit. Some tails down here around that region. So kind of around 0225 to 0200 area. There's definitely some historical tails that bounce around in and around that region there. And you can see we just came from a trade. You know, if you had put this information on your chart previous to now, then you would be expecting a potential buy opportunity as we had progressed into an uptrend through this area. You can see that definitely bought up there nicely. So if price comes back down there again to this region, we look for another buy opportunity down around this 0225 to 0200 area, where these have bought before and a little bit of buying in this region. Right down that region, we would expect that another buy would occur. And you can see, like we said, on the weekly charts over here as well. So if price is able to come back down that far, we're looking for a buy down around 0225 to 0200. And that would come in on a 4-hour chart, especially if it comes down there, rattles. Sometimes it just pops right out of the trade like this last time. It goes very quickly. And sometimes it rattles around for a bit and then pops. So just keep an eye on a possible opportunity there on the CAD. Now on to New Zealand. Alright, so we had this level basically marked before we were talking about, and it went down into that level. The first time, kind of rattled around a little bit, then it broke through this level by a 4-hour closed candle, and then it sold off a little bit further on the pullback toward that level right there. Didn't go very far. So for our system, if we were taking a trade in that region, it would have been a small little trade in this region, and it probably would have been either a small win or a break even or something like that. Well, then subsequently, it came back above that level and bounced. So if you had, looking for a buying opportunity coming off that level after it came back above it, there was this one. And if this does continue to progress, there could yet be some more buying, or if it slams back below this level, there could be more selling. But that's just a quick follow-up to kind of talk about what happened there. We had a close on the 4-hour chart through this low, went below it by 35 to 50 pips, and then it sold off a bit and then back above it again. So anyway, keep an eye on that Canadian dollar trade and see if we get an opportunity to buy down and around that little zone there. Alrighty folks, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. Have a great day, and we'll see you back in the next video. Bye for now.